what are the main things you do to lower the TACOS? For my brands, what I noticed is that whenever people are asking me, what are you going to do to lower your TACOs, they're expecting Amazon PPC related things, when in fact, most of the things that I can do to lower my TACOs is non-advertising related. Let me tell you, how would I prioritize? When it comes down to TACOs, I would look at everything that is non-advertising. Means that I'm going to take a good look at the list of the products that we're selling. This is in case that we're selling multiple SKUs. If you're selling the one SKU, it might not be applicable. But if you're selling multiple products, I'm going to see what is my spend percentage for all those products. And if I identified the top 2 or 3 products where my spend goes, next I'm going to look into how the profit margin looks on those products. This other product has a minus 40% and this other product has a 20%. The way how I would literally reduce TACOs is, does the product that has the minus 40% profit margin, am I advertising for it? Because what can happen is that sometimes because you're so pushed by brands, you're going to increase something that is a negative revenue without even noticing. And especially if it's not part of a strategic, like, hey, I want to push more revenue to get more market share. But this is literally a product that for some reason, it might have ended up in multiple campaigns and it just attracts a lot of spend that does not convert into sales. That would be the first thing that I would be doing. So check quickly your top selling products, and if it's not within a strategy of either new product launch, either ranking for gaining market share, I would just pause the ads for it. This saves you a lot in TACOs, and it's not advertising related, but it's encouraging you to pause ads. So that's why I'm saying that this is the biggest lever that we're seeing so far, just because your focus goes right away to ads. And I would like, oh, this is a way to reduce your TACOs, and it would be advertising related. Look at any options that you have that is non-ad related, because why I'm saying that is that if you're looking only on the advertising aspect, you're going to miss the big picture.